As you can see, we have opened Google and are trying to visit a website. In this example, we're attempting to open a Facebook link, but a notification appears saying, "Unable to open the link." Let's try another website. As you can see, we are opening the other link, but the same notification appears again, and the link still won't open. This happens because the Google Chrome app is disabled on the device. Since Chrome is responsible for opening web links, disabled apps cannot handle those links properly, resulting in this error. Now, let's fix the problem. First, open Settings. Scroll down and tap App Management. Next, select App List. Scroll down until you find Chrome. As you can see, Chrome is currently disabled. Simply tap on it. Here, you'll see the Enable option. Tap Enable to turn Chrome back on. Now Chrome is enabled. Now, let's return to Google and try opening a link again. As you can see, the link opened successfully this time, and the notification no longer appears. Let's open another link to confirm the fix. Again, the website opens without any issues. The problem has been resolved. You can also access the Chrome settings more quickly. Simply go to Settings and use the search bar at the top. Type Chrome, and the Chrome app will appear in the search results. Tap on it to manage its settings directly. And that's how you can fix the unable to open the link error by enabling Google Chrome on your device. If this guide helped you solve the problem, your browser should now be opening links normally without any error messages. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Android tips, troubleshooting guides, and easy tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.